Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is okay. Obviously the weekend was a little bit ugly. I guess like I should say rest in peace to the attendee that attended the rally. And then also I hope for a speedy recovery for the other people that were injured, including Mr. President. Hope things will go better. So let's get into like the Defiance ETFs because I don't know if I'll get deplatformed for saying certain names or mentioning certain topics. So this is a change in format, unfortunately, just because I'm trying to keep costs reasonable, and then also want to keep like the length of the videos like reasonable time, just to respect your time, my kind viewers and supporters. So just for like an example, IWMY, I'm showing like the previous week's close, and I break it down by like the cash, option, and treasury positions, and then I show like the latest figures for like the upcoming Monday. So by the time you watch this, it'll probably be just before like the Monday close. So this is like the latest figures. So week over week, you see like IWMY increase 55 cents, so not too shabby. And then you kind of see like the option positions. You can see like a slight uptick in terms of premium collected. And then also going on to like the next one, JEPY, you can also see that this one also increased a little bit, 9 cents. So not too bad. But unfortunately, like the option premium collected remained flat. And then let's go over to QQQY. So again, a nice little bump up in terms of share price. And then when you look at the breakdown, you can see like the option position. There's a very tiny uptick, but better than nothing. And also like the treasury positions also increased. So let me just scroll down a little bit more to like the Trez, and then you can kind of see like it's pretty much flat. It's kind of interesting to note like some of the changes on like the cash and the treasury increase was offset by like the decrease on like the option position. And then SPYT is holding up fairly well, 16-cent increase. The cash position pretty much was flat, and then like the overall cover call position increased. And then you see like for USOY, unfortunately like a small decrease for like the coming week. It's interesting to see like the option position went from 37 cent premium collected to now it's a 13-cent debit. And then also you also see the unfortunate side of like the treasury position that went down. So it looks like they're shoring like the cash position up. So for maybe, I don't know, maybe there's more people coming in. Then like the new guy, QQQT, it's still even though like it went down this week, I think it's still off to like a pretty decent start. So hopefully they can continue this performance. So thank you for watching. I hope this week will go much better, just in terms of like just everything in general. So thank you for watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and hope people make some good money out there. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.